Welcome back, guys. 5-Day Crypto. My name's Chase. Today is January 6th of 2021. And what a move we're in for Chainlink. Today we are up 20% alone already. It's not even lunchtime where I'm at. Barely breakfast. Yeah, we closed yesterday about 1460. We're currently at 1660. We even flirted with 17 already, 1698. I think we could be having some liftoff here. And if you take a look, notice your moving average lines. Yellow is, look over here, for 21 days, yellow, 50, green, 100, blue, and 200 is red. Once these start getting sorted out, that's when your bigger moves are going to start rolling in. And you can see we are just starting. Look at our previous moves when we've started getting organized. This was a 40% jump from there to there. Here, the bottom of this candle to the top, 40% roughly. Now, obviously, that wasn't a huge power move. Nothing was really happening in crypto. With the way Bitcoin's performing now and Ethereum and kind of the rally that's starting, obviously, we would expect at least a 40% move, right? Before that, our huge move, you could look way back here. This is kind of where they started getting sorted. That was 300 roughly percent up. If we look back before that, we got sorted back here right when the 200-day moving average was just starting, because Chainlink is not that old. That was a 55% move. So we have a 55% move, over 300% move, a 40% move here. Look where we are now. This is just, they're just starting to sort out again. So just for fun, let's see where that would take us if we just did a 40% move. Let's say we started here, bottom of this candle, just to be fair. 40% is, well, let me do this. Let me do this a different way. Let's take it off auto. And let's look up here. So right here, start yesterday's, this is on the daily chart. Right when they're starting, to be fair, 40%, 1850 maybe. If we want to go to the other move, 55%, that takes us to all-time highs already. Pretty nice to look at. If you want to speculate even more, what would happen if we did another 300% move? You can see the prices. The chart just looks like a flat line that's so high. But say, remember we started at 13, so if we start there again, I think it's 388%, that big move that we had. So over $60. Just some speculation. Not saying that has to happen anytime soon or not, but just something to keep an eye on if we start getting out of hand here. If we clear all-time highs, I would expect something more similar to that. Put it back on auto. All right, let's look at our next move. Next thing I got for you today is on the weekly. We have blasted straight through our Fibonacci 0.236. I mean, and no hesitation at all. It just went from earlier this week we were at 1240. That was Sunday night. Look at the move we have done. This is what we're talking. This is why we're in Chainlink, okay? We're in for these moves. Look at these moves from all the FUD. Everyone was getting ready to. Chainlink was going to a few dollars 2 weeks ago. To now we're almost at 100% double your money, back at $17. I mean, don't listen to the news. It's only in the charts is what you need. The charts never lie. Now, are we ready for the treat of the day? Let me show you a cool indicator that I use that might shock you a little bit. This is called the ADX and the I, as you can see over here. The green line kind of tells you if the bulls are in charge. The red line, if the bears are in charge. And as you can see in Link's history, the bulls have always been in charge. There's no bears. They tried back in Christmas week. Do you see that? The bears, they got slaughtered by the bulls right here. And now we're taking back off again. Look at this. Look at this separation. I know you guys may not be as excited as I am about this, but look at the last time this happened. Where is it? We had the last separation like this? Right here. March 30th? Chase, what happened to March 30th? No big deal. Check this out. Let's zoom back in. March 30th, right? What happened March 30th? Look what came next with the price of Chainlink. Now, only one data point in history. History doesn't have to repeat. But if you're looking for some hopium, that's a good start. What we want to see is this weekly. This is the average. You want this to be above 25 to start being more of a powerful move. So maybe next week, if this keeps continuing up, we have to have an orange line. We'll keep up with this. We'll look at it I'll look at it every day, but if there's an update that you need to know about, I will definitely tell you. But if we can start moving back up here, we're going to be in for a real treat. And also, this has been our low. Look where we are now. We're at, if this is in fact, our bottom, this will be a higher low. Which would be excellent news too. So then we would want to do a higher high. If this orange line gets above this, I guarantee Link is in uncharted territories, well above our all-time high. So we're going to keep an eye on that. We have plenty of room to run on the RSI. We're not overextended yet. Stochastic RSI is just starting to gain momentum. You can see our blue line just starting to shoot back up. This is our momentum that's based on the RSI. So this tells you the momentum of the move. So we will keep an update on that for you, but it's pretty exciting news. I mean, we're leaving the 21 week behind. It's about time. Bitcoin's had its move. Ethereum has had its move. Chainlink could finally start remaking its move. This will be fantastic. We will keep an eye on it. We're here every day. I do this full time if you're new here. I try to give you one or two things every day just to keep an eye on. Try to help you make money. Not make the mistakes that I've made being in crypto the past 4 or 5 years. And so just please like and subscribe. That's all I'll ever ask from you. I am not here to sell you anything. I'm just genuinely here to help you. So thank you for watching. Check us out on Twitter. 5daycrypto1. The link is below. I had a request yesterday in the comments for Hbar. I'm always happy to take requests on anything you want. If you have just a question or anything. I did some quick TA on this. Looks like our floor. Nice floor on this. I don't know if you've heard of Hbar. I'm not real familiar with it, but I can TA anything. So if you want to look on the, let's see where we're at here on the daily. You can see our lines are starting to get the moving averages starting to trend up. That's a good sign. Our floor is about 3 cents. Our next level to watch, I would go for our, let's see here, let's zoom out. 618, we're going to our 0.5, it is about 4 cents, 4.7 cents. So keep an eye on that. I can look at this again, maybe next week or something, see where we're at. But it looks good, looks strong. I think I looked it up on CoinMarketCap yesterday. It's about 76 out of 2,500 coins or so. So this could do well in the future. Has some good strong backers. I looked at the history a little bit. So we'll keep an eye on this. This could be a secret yet to be discovered, so to speak. So Fear and Greed Index, we are cranked out at 95. This is our local top that we've been in for over a month now. So we want to watch this. If prices continue to rally throughout the day and hold strong without a drop, I would probably expect this to go above 95 today, which would be our first so-called warning sign for the entire crypto market. Anytime you start getting outside trend channels, like, that's your first warning sign. So we'll keep an eye on this. But if we start getting it tomorrow, if we're 96, 97, 98, could be our top is coming to an end. One more thing I wanted to show you on Twitter yesterday. I posted this after my video. If it ever loads. Again, our moving averages are sorting out. So I posted this at 1470. Look at the price we're at now. We're at 20% since this. So something to keep an eye on. And this is only 2 hour. Nothing was really happening much before yesterday. Look at this. So this is like the day before. So just little things to keep an eye on, guys. Let's go ahead and do our car of the day. Pretty cool one. This is another concept. Was never done. Wish it would have been. This is the Dodge Viper GTSR. This is the racing version. The whole body is carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber lips at the bottom. Based off their racing model. They made a GTSR back in the late 90s, but it didn't look like this. They were going to make this in just after 2000, the year 2000, but they never did it. But man, the track times are so impressive, like 3.5 seconds, 0 to 60. In the year 2000, that was unheard of. So, I mean, you had to get into, even Lamborghinis were barely doing that. Bugatti, maybe Bugatti could have beat it. But here's a real picture right here. And I'll leave you with our quote of the day. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want me to do another coin tomorrow, I'm happy to do that. I'm here for you guys. Please like and subscribe again. I appreciate you. Thanks so much, guys. 50 gold stars. See you right back here tomorrow.